Thank you for tuning in, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your fluid in your SM465 transmission. This is my C30, and stay tuned. Okay, first thing you want to do is get you something to lay on. It don't matter what your transmission is in. Basically, I know a lot of people uses them in the Jeeps and stuff. But each one pretty well drains the same way. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. You got a drain plug right on the bottom of the transmission. Here. So what you want to do is loosen this bolt and let the fluid drain. Get you a drain pan to catch it. It should have a gallon in it if it don't leak. Now this one's got a little leak. I need to address that issue. It's not too bad though. Needs a good cleaning and washing. There's a Fuild plug also on this transmission, which I never use. It's right here. You want to fill it up till it runs out, but I can't get to it. It's in a tight spot, so I always just fill my transmission through the top, and that will be how I show you to do it in this video. Or you can remove this bolt right here, this top one, and wait till it runs out, whichever easiest. I just pretty much drain mine and put a gallon of fluid in it and call it good. So let's get started. And pretty much I'm using 11/16 boxed in. You can get it right on this and turn it just like so. Now use gloves if you don't want to get your hands dirty, and this stuff smells, especially if it got tons of miles on it. So get ready, because it will gush out. Ooh, just like so. And if you want to know what kind of fluid I actually use in my transmission, it's 80/90 weight. A lot of people just runs 80/90, but I heard some people trying the synthetic 75/90, but I ain't never tried it, so I can't tell you how it acts. The people I talked to told me it pretty much, it does help with shifting in these transmissions, but I ain't had too big of a problem with that. Now you want to clean up any dirt or anything around that, and then get your bolt that smells like liquid ass and screw it back in here. This stuff stinks. If I can get it started. Now you want to make sure it goes in easy, just like so, because you don't want to cross thread it, being a mess. Now you want to snug your bolt up. So now you want to come inside your truck and remove your boot. You know, this thing right here? Yeah, where the carpet should be. You need to remove him, and he's usually got bolts all the way around. See, I got a self-tapper. That's kind of tacky, but you know, it works. So got to remove these 3 bolts, and I'll show you how to remove your gear shifter. Yeah, it's pretty simple. So I'll get back with you in just a second. So as you can see, this is a gear shift with the boot off. I actually got the boot just moved out of the way. Got a little bit of play. I will be addressing that probably in another video soon. A lot of these do, but they're a simple fix for that. But a lot of people think you gotta drive those little right here, little pins out, because they want on each side. But no, you don't touch those. This simply comes off by mashing down on this a little and twisting. So what you do, you want to mash down on it and twist. And once it twists, mash down and then twist, you can see, it's got little hooks. Pins, a lot of times they get wore out right here, but others seem fine. It's probably got 2 factory welds that broke off that's broken and needs attention. That's how come it's got so much prey in it. But as I said, that'd be another video. So let me go ahead and pull up on this and it should come straight out. Okay, you might have to put a little force into and wiggle it some, but it will come straight out. So here's a gear shift. Moved out of the way, and that's where we're going to put our oil in at. Okay, now what puts a lot of flop in these pins. Right there gets wore out. You can see our pin is like wore out. You can actually drill these out to a bigger size pin. That's what I'll be doing in a later video. And they got some factory welds right here that break. Can you see? Both those factory tacks are broke loose. Now I will be making a video on how to repair your shifter for these transmissions very soon, so definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section if you find this helpful. So back to the transmission. So this is what I'm using, 8090, and it goes straight down in this hole, a whole gallon of it. So yeah, if you ain't good at pouring, you might want to get a funnel, but I'm going to attempt it without a funnel. So let's see how it goes. Okay, your shifter installs the same way you removed it. It's that simple and that's easy. Now you want to check it for leaks, start it up, make sure it's not leaking anywhere, and you should be good to go. Now I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Drop a like, subscribe to my channel, more videos coming up, and a shifter repair coming up soon. Yep. See you next time.